Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn how you can update the data of your products that you have in your e-commerce store in a spreadsheet automatically. So suppose that you are an e-commerce store owner and you have maintained a spreadsheet in which you have added the data of your products and your inventory. So every time you change anything regarding your product in your e-commerce store, like the pricing or the stock quantity, you need to update the spreadsheet as well. So here we have designed and created an automation to fast pace and level up this process for you. Let me show you how. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As in when you update your inventory or product details in your e-commerce store, the details of the products is going to change here in a base you have in Airtable automatically. So here we have taken the example of WooCommerce, which is an e-commerce store plugin of WordPress where you have created your store, and we are using Airtable application to maintain a record of the products. Okay, so every time you change the details of the products in your store, the details of the same product is going to change accordingly and automatically in Airtable as well. So here you need not to manually sort out and look for the details that you're changing here on your e-commerce store and then manually change the same details here again and again one by one manually in Airtable. Okay, so it will surely save your manual efforts and your time, and it will improve your productivity. And to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so for that you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can sign up and set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here you have to start creating your workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as add WooCommerce products in a spreadsheet in Airtable automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And guys, on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow. So it is saying when this happens, and the action is the response to the trigger. Okay, so it is saying do this. All right. So in our use case, the trigger would be updating of a product in WooCommerce store, and the action or the response towards that trigger would be to update the same product in a spreadsheet that you have in Airtable. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up your trigger, and for that you have to choose your trigger application from this field. So our trigger application is WooCommerce. You can see here, select it. Okay, and the trigger event would be product updated. Let me show you where is the option. Here you can see we have this product updated event. Select it and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to connect our WooCommerce store first. Then we'll follow these instructions to make the connection, and after that we will update a product and capture the data of that product update here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward. Okay, so first of all, you just have to copy this webhook URL from here and follow these instructions to make the connection. Let me show you how. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and here I have this let me show you WordPress plugin. Okay, so this is WooCommerce plugin. Here is the WooCommerce plugin, and from here I'm going to click on settings. Okay, and under the settings page you will find this advanced tab here. Click on advanced. Okay, and under this advanced page you will find this webhooks option here under the page setup. Click on webhooks, and here you have to add a webhook. So to add a webhook, you just have to click here on this add webhook button like this. And here you can give a name to this webhook. So I'm giving the name as to Airtable. Okay, Airtable base, right? And here in the status, you have to make the status of this webhook as active. And in the topics, you have to select the topic as product updated. Here you can see product updated. Okay. And in this delivery URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect here, like this. So paste it here in the delivery URL field and leave these two fields as it is blank, or you can leave these things as it is, and then click on save webhook, and you can see your webhook will be saved like this. Okay, so we have added a new webhook, and here you can see it will show you this webhook ID when you got a new webhook added in your WordPress. Okay, now you have to click here on this recapture webhook response, click on it, then click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for webhook response. So now you have to perform a test submission. This means now you have to update any product in WooCommerce, and and the details of that product updation will be fetched here in Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. So I'm going to products option here. This is the products option, and I'm going to click on all products section, and I'm going to choose any one product from here. So we have these products. Let me show you. Okay, so we have many products here, and I'm going to update this product, this velocity drone. Okay, or you can, I'm going to change this product, update this product, which is a course that I have created, which I'm selling here, which is on core PHP programming. So I'm going to click on edit here. Okay, and I'm going to change the stock quantity of this product. So I'm scrolling down here up to this inventory section, or let's say I'm changing the price. Okay, so this is the regular price on which I'm selling this product. Okay, and now I want to sell this product in a new price. So I'm putting the selling price here as 100 rupees. Okay, so this is the regular price, and this is the discounted price I want to provide to my customers. Okay, and let's say I also want to change the stock quantity. Okay, so I'm in my stock section. It is in a stock, and here I'm going to click on manage stock, and I'm putting the stock quantity now as, let's say, 50. Okay, so we have 50 products now. Okay, and I'm going to click on publish here, sorry, update here, and this product is getting updated, you can see. Okay, so the product is updated. Now let me show you in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this product updation. And here you can see we got the details of the product updation like this. Okay, so here you will find the details of the product, like the product ID, the name, the slug, and the visibility, the pricing. Okay, and all the details related to this product you will find here in this response received section. Okay, now I want to update this product in my spreadsheet also that I have here in Airtable. You can see. So this is the core PHP programming course I have already added in my base here. Okay, you can see these are the things I have already here. The pricing, the sale price. Here you can see in this sale price, this sale value is blank. Okay, right? Now to change this product, to update this product in this table, first of all, I need to search for this product. Okay, so I need to search where is that product in my spreadsheet. Okay, so for that you have to connect Airtable first in this actions tab with Pabbly Connect. So from this actions tab, search for Airtable. Okay, and then you have to select the action event first as search record. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key to make the connection with Airtable. So under the account section of Airtable, you will find this API key. So you can directly click here on this account string, okay, text, and you will reach the account section of Airtable. And when you scroll down here, you will find this key here like this. Okay, So just copy this key and paste this key here in this token field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable in a few moments. You can see we are connected now. Okay. And now it is asking for the base's name and the table name and the field name. Okay. So here you will find the base as this. You can see the name of our base is WooCommerce. So select your base from here, type your base's name. Here you can see WooCommerce base, select it. And now you have to select the table's name. So here I have two tables, the product data and the new products. So I am using this product data table. So select the table like this. Now it is asking for the product, for the field name. So I am going to search for this product by the product ID. Okay, so product IDs are the unique IDs given to each product. Okay, so I'm going to search this product by this ID. So here you have to select this field, the product ID field here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, you can see the product, the field name is product ID, select it. And in the search value, I'm going to put the ID that you have received in the first step. Here you can see in this response received section where you have received the response from WooCommerce, we got the product ID as well in the first label. This is the ID. Okay. So I'm going to map this ID here in the second step. So to map the ID, just click here and you will find this WooCommerce store option in the drop down, and from here only map this ID. Okay. So when you map the ID like this, what will happen in real time whenever you update any product, this ID is going to change accordingly and it will be searched automatically by this workflow. Okay. So click here on save and send test request now, and you will see here the details of the existing product that you have in the table. Okay. So it is showing the details that you have already in your table like this. Okay. So these are the things that I have already have in the table. Now I want to update these things. Okay. So to update the table now, you have to connect Airtable again. So for that, click here on this actions plus icon, and another actions tab will open up. And from here, search for Airtable again. This is Airtable. Then select the action event now as update record. So it will update a specific record in the table. Okay. Then click on connect. And now you can use this existing connection option because we have already connected with Airtable in the previous step. So select this existing connection and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable again like this. Okay, so you need not to enter the API key again. Right, now select your base, which is WooCommerce. Okay, then select the table's name. So table name is product data. Okay, and here you can see it is asking select record or map record ID. So you can get specific record details from search record section. So we have searched for the record in the previous step, and here you can see in this response received, we got this record ID here in this label. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here in this tab. Okay, so when you map the record ID in real time, whenever you update the product in WooCommerce store, this record ID is going to change accordingly, and the particular product that you have updated in WooCommerce will be updated in your spreadsheet in Airtable as well. Okay, so to map this record ID, first of all, toggle this map button to on. Okay, then erase this data, and from this second step here, from this Airtable step, map this record ID like this. Okay, so we have mapped the record ID like this, and now it is asking for the product ID. So you can get the product ID from the first step. Okay, so actually it is asking all these things. You can see the product ID, the name, the visibility, the description. So these are the headers of the fields that I have here. Okay, the product ID, name, visibility, description, tax status. You can see here sales price, regular price, categories, images. Okay, so I am going to map the values of all these things, and these things will be updated uh, in this row. Okay, right? Or if you want to update any specific thing, you can change that thing only. Okay, but the smart thing is map all the things. So what will happen whenever you update any of the things, the same thing will be updated in your spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to map the values of these fields from the first tab. So just click here on this product ID field, and from this WooCommerce tab, map the product ID first like this. And for the name, use the same way and map the name. For the visibility, okay, map the visibility status from the same place. Here you can see the catalog visibility is visible. Okay, and for the description, check for the description here. Here is the description. For the text status, you can check the text status. And now for the sales price, you can check map the sales price again from the WooCommerce tab. So this is the thing that needs to be updated, okay? Because currently we do not have the sales price data here, and we have mapped the sales price, okay? For the regular price, you will find the regular price from the same step. This is the regular price. And for the categories, you can check the categories. Here is the category. For the image link, you can find the image link as well from this first tab. So you'll find the image source label here like this, and map this image 0 src label, okay, like this. Okay, right, now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and you will see that this row is going to change according to the data, and the sales price will be updated. So you have to look especially here in the sales price section if it is changing or not. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see it is showing this kind of response here. Now let me show you my Airtable, and here you can see the sales price got changed. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. As you can see, the sales price is now 100 rupees, which was earlier blank. Okay, so our product is updated here right in front of you. Okay, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. You have to make these connections and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you are going to update any product, the data of the product is going to change, okay, automatically. I can show you a real-time example also. Let me update another product. Okay, so I'm going to my all products section, and here you can see we have these products. Let me open one for you. So now let me update this velocity drone, okay, that we are selling from our product from our store. So here I am changing the name of this product also. So the name this time is velocity drone 2.0. Okay, and here I am changing the pricing as well. Let the pricing be 4,500 now, and I'm going to change okay, and here let's see if we have the category section. Okay, so here I am putting the category of this product into digital. Okay, I'm changing the category, I'm changing the product name, and I'm changing the sales price. I have changed 3 things here. Okay, now I'm going to click on update. Okay, so the product is getting updated, and after this product gets updated, okay, so now the product is updated, and now I'm going to show you directly in my spreadsheet if the data got changed or not. So I'm here in my spreadsheet, and here we have the details of this product. Let me show you. Okay, where it is. So here you can see we got the details changed. Velocity drone 2.0 is here right now. Okay, and now let me show you here you can see the sales price got changed 4,500, And here you can see in the categories we got digital here. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. Our connection is working very fine. And guys, we are done setting up this automation. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.